Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Superb. So I am Miss Urvi and now let's do one worksheet. Color the national bird peacock. So peacock is our national bird and now we will color this peacock. Alright everyone. So I have already done a light color in the peacock for your convenience and now let's do it once again. Okay everyone. So let's take the blue color and color its body. Like this. Very nice. Okay, and now take the green color and color its feathers like this. All right everyone. You can color inside the feather some. You can do yellow color, blue color. All right, like this. So my peacock is ready. What about you all?